Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to create a presentation using TOME AI. So in order to do this, first of all, head over to any browser on your PC and navigate to the search bar and type in TOME AI. Hit enter and you will see the search results. In this search results, you will have to simply navigate to tome.app's website. Click on that website and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, you'll have to simply click on sign in at the top right corner. After you click on sign in, you will get two options, continue with Google or enter an email address. So select your preferred method. You'll be promoted to next page where you'll have to choose an account to sign in. And for example, I want to sign in with this account. So I'll click on that account and create a new account by adding my user credentials. Now, after signing up and accessing TOME AI, you will see this home page. On this home page, if you want to create a presentation, you will have several options. For example, you can click on a start from blank if you want to create a presentation from scratch, or you can also click on generate with AI. And the third option is click on templates that you can see just right here and choose any one of these templates and you will get a pre-made template for your presentations. So if you want to generate it with AI, click on generate with AI. Now on this page, you'll have to just enter what's your presentation about. So I'm adding that my presentation is about race cars aesthetics. And after entering what your presentation is about, you will have to simply click on generate outline. So I'm entering a very small prompt, but make sure you enter a comprehensive prompt. And after entering your prompt, click on generate outline. This will generate an outline for your presentation. So as you can see, my presentation will contain these slides: history of race cars, evolution, key aesthetic, influence and future trends. So these will be the pages. Now click on choose layouts. So you can choose any one of these layouts. For example, I want this layout because this is looking good. So I'll click on it and click on next page. Now I will have to choose a layout for this page. So I'm choosing this one and clicking on next page. So you will have to just click on next page and AI itself will create an automatically made presentation just for you. As you can see, I just created this presentation just by using TOME AI. Now, if you want to edit this presentation, you'll have to click on that specific slide and simply select here. For example, if I want to edit text, I will select this text and edit it anyhow I want. I can make this text bold, italic, underlined, choose the color of this text, and whether I want this text to be displayed as a title, heading, subheading, body, or caption. So you can choose these attributes for your text on your page. And when you click on the image and click on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner, you can select the background color for your image. You can adjust this image. You can select the size, whether you want it to fit, fill, or custom size according to your preference. You can also click on generate media, enter a prompt, click on generate. After you click on generate, TOME AI will generate beautiful pictures for your presentation. So if I would want any one of these pictures, I'll have to just select that picture and now this picture will be set as the default picture for this page. And you can do the same with all the pages on your page. So this is my first page with the heading and an image about my presentation. The second page telling me about the history of race cars. The third page about the evolution of race car designs. Fourth page about key aesthetic features. Fifth page about influence of technology on race car aesthetics. And the sixth page that is about future trends in race car aesthetics. As you can see, I just created this beautiful presentation just by using AI on TOME AI. Now, if you want to edit anything else, you'll have the option to add a text, add media by generating it from AI, uploading a media, or searching on web. You can also add shapes, you can add tables, you can add charts on your page, you can add more titles from these apps, and you can also select the theme for your presentation. For example, if I want my theme to be Neptune, so I'll click on Neptune and now my theme will be enhanced and now it's looking better than before. You can again go to set theme and choose another theme if you want. And after you get finished with creating your presentation, you'll have to simply click on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner and click on export to PDF. And when you click on export to PDF, you'll be able to download this presentation as a PDF file on your PC that you created using AI on TOME. You can click on upgrade and upgrade to a pro plan to export this, and now you'll have this beautiful presentation created just for you. And as you can see, this is looking pretty good. Now if we go back, we have another option, choosing a template and starting from blank. So if you want to choose a template, click on use template and this will open up the template in the editing panel. And now on this page, if you want to create a presentation, you'll have to just edit these things according to your preference and click on the export button, and that will create a presentation using a template from TOME AI. So that's how you create a presentation using TOME AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.